In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove breakpoint in Webflow. We're going to walk through a practical workaround that effectively removes a breakpoint's impact by moving its styles to a different breakpoint. This is helpful because you can't truly delete Webflow's core breakpoints, but you can clear out their unique styles so they no longer affect your design. Start by opening your Webflow project in the designer so you're looking at the canvas of the site you want to adjust. Once you're in, open the Apps panel in the designer. If you don't see it right away, look for the Apps icon in the left toolbar and click to open it. In the Apps search field, type the name of the tool we'll use, Breakpoint Style Mover. As you type, you should see it appear in the results. Click the Breakpoint Style Mover entry to bring up its details. From there, open the full listing to learn more about what the app does. Take a moment to review the description so you understand how it migrates styles between breakpoints without changing your underlying classes. Then switch to the Permissions tab to confirm what level of access it needs in your workspace. When you're ready, choose Install on Site. If you're prompted again, confirm Install on Site to proceed. After the installation completes, close the confirmation window to return to your project. With the app installed, you'll see its panel available in the designer. Open Breakpoint Style Mover. You'll notice drop-downs labeled Select One. In the first drop-down, choose the source breakpoint, the one you want to remove the impact from. In the second drop-down, choose the destination breakpoint, typically the base, desktop, or another target where you want those styles to live. Click Load Styles to fetch the list of classes and properties that are currently unique to your source breakpoint. If the app presents additional Select One options, use them to refine your scope, such as narrowing to a page or a subset of styles, so you move only what you intend. If you navigate away, reopen the Breakpoint Style Mover panel to keep working. Reselect the appropriate drop-downs if needed, and click Load Styles again to refresh the list. Once your selections look correct and the styles are loaded, proceed with the migration per the app's on-screen prompts. This transfers the rules from the source to the destination, effectively clearing the source breakpoint of unique overrides. When you're finished, publish your site so the changes go live. A quick post-publish check on a few viewport sizes is a good idea to make sure everything renders as expected. That's it. You've effectively removed a breakpoint's influence